Hi everyone, this is Boris. Welcome to my channel. So today in Superhero Anatomy, we're going to learn how to draw arms. So basically, I'm going to show you the basic structure of an arm. Now, this is not only for superheroes, you can also use this to draw any people's arms. So now, I'm going to show you that you can draw arms with three basic shapes. These are 3D shapes: a ball, a sphere, a cylinder, and what I call a beer glass, which is like this shape right here. I have to admit I didn't draw a perfect circle there, but why 3D shapes? So first, if you don't know how to draw 3D shapes, first practice them and then come to this video. Why 3D shapes? Because it's easier to draw 3D shapes in different angles, and then you can draw the details on top of them afterwards. So I always say in all my videos, structure is more important than details. You need to first capture the structure. If you understand how things work, you can then do the details. Now, as I said, we use 3D because it's easier for us to turn and to draw the body part in different angles. And also what I suggest, I'm going to use for some photo references, and I recommend, even if you draw in whatever style it is, in your own style, in manga style, in comic style, always use a photo reference from real life, because you need to, even if you are going to break the rules, you need to know what rules you're breaking. So now here I took a picture of Chris Hemsworth, who plays Thor in Marvel movies. So now I'm going to show you how, if I want to draw this picture, for example, how would I see this? Like, first of all, if I want to capture the energy, if I want to capture the figure from this drawing for the arm, I will deconstruct it with the three shapes that I showed you. Now, and this is very important. You need to use, again, I'm going to take the opacity a little bit low so that I can draw the three basic shapes, just to show you how you can draw from photograph. So I take the yellow. I have to admit I don't think it was the right color, but anyway, it's just I just wanted something to pop from the transparent picture. So here I see the ball. That's where I place the ball. That's where I place the cylinder, and then that's where I place the beer glass. Again, this is a very simplified method, but that's what you need when you start learning to draw anatomy. Like, you need to simplify, demystify anatomy, because of course you will get better, like you will know all the names of the muscles as you practice more and as you look at more pictures and so on. But when you start, it's better to start with basic shapes. So now here, for example, I'm just showing you that from those shapes you will be able to draw like whatever arm you want, right? So again, in whatever angle you want. So here I'm just doing a quick sketch of an arm, really simply. You can draw, and that can be Iron Man or a supervillain. So again, I make these videos short because I want you to practice afterwards. So here I'm taking another example from another angle. So again, I'm going to show you this time how I'll be able to find the shapes again from the photo reference. So now this time I take the red. So here I see the ball. And again, the reason I choose the shape, I'll do another video on this. There's a reason why I choose those shapes, because that means that if it's a ball, because if you can make a circle with your arm, right? So again, we are trying to find the basic structure before we go to the details. And I suggest you do this whenever you draw, because the most important thing is to, again, understand how it works. If you understand what's going on under the skin, you can draw what's on the skin, or what clothes even clothed bodies. Clothed bodies. That sounds like a movie name. So here I took another example. Again, another angle from this side. Again, I find the same. So his arm is a little bit tilted, or he lifted his arm a little bit upwards. So that sort of allows me to manipulate the shapes. Again, this I'll make another video about this, but actually artists, as you practice more and more, you will learn that you have a superpower. Your superpower is that you can turn objects with your mind. You know, just like Jean Grey can move objects with her mind, you can also move objects in your mind. It's just that you can show it on the paper, right? So, and in order to move it in your mind very quickly, you need to have those basic shapes. So, until next time, this is Boris, Sketchman Boris, signing off.